Let's fix blue screen error code 0x000001. You will need to boot into repair mode. To do that, power off your computer 3 times at the time of startup and it will launch blue screen repair mode. Click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Select Command Prompt. We have to execute some commands. Type bootrec /fixmbr and hit enter. Then type bootrec /fixboot. Hit enter. Now type bcdedit /export c:\bcdbackup. Now type attrib c:\boot /bcd -h -r -s. Now type rem c:\boot /bcd bcd.old. Now type bootrec /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type Y and then exit. Your error should be fixed. That's it, you are good to go.